It's my passion to decorate home during festivals, which always encourages me to try more and more new things and explore new ideas. If you really like my videos and if you feel it's worth watching, please subscribe, like and share. Click the bell icon for my new video notifications. A very happy Diwali to you all. Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Shri. Hope you all are getting ready for Diwali celebration. Though this Diwali is unique due to pandemic, let us make it more unique by celebrating with high spirit and maintaining safety. In today's video, I am going to show you all some home decor ideas which I have done to bring more positive vibes. So let's get started. I heard someone saying a couple of years back regarding shifting the things during Diwali. This would bring a change in the energy of that particular area or corner of the house. Even if we don't believe in this, such a shift would definitely bring a change in look and feel. As we all know, change is always good. In this area, I used to have a terracotta pot. I have changed the pot to some other corner and I am decorating something else here. We will come back to this place once the complete decoration is done. As a minimalistic, I don't believe in spending money on expensive things. I do it with very minimal budget so that it doesn't eat our pocket. This runner is my new collection. I bought this to give a festive look to an old sofa. This runner is really very comfy and it matches with my sofa's fabric as well. This center table runner, again it looks really classy and matches with the sofa runner. Hello. Keep the center table with minimum decor so that if you have guests during Diwali, you need some place to serve sweets and other stuff. This runner, again, it is a new addition. I really love this pattern. This also exactly matches with the other two. My suggestion here is that always go for similar colors to match the decor, as too many color combination would spoil the entire look. All this I bought from Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. These lanterns are old ones and I used to keep them near entryway always. This year I wanted to give a new look by hanging like this. This beautiful lantern too is my new collection. I got it from At Home with 50% off. This is our entryway. I didn't do any big changes this year. As the laughing Buddha, I prefer keeping near the entrance always. This beautiful elephant stand, I bought it from a local shop 4 years back and painted with a golden acrylic color. Like this, whatever terracotta or earthen decorative items I have, I bought these items 4 years back at local shops and painted by myself with golden and copper paint. This beautiful terracotta pot looks really elegant. So I matched this with a real copper urli. Urli is actually a traditional decor used everywhere like temples, functions or pujas and all. The floating flowers in urli brings lot of good luck and positivity. Even if you don't have urli, take a glass or steel ball, fill it with water and add some flowers to get that festive look. I'm very much fond of this Buddha idol. Look at that, it is so beautiful. It was in the TV unit all these days. I have given a new look by creating a Zen corner. Believe me, it really gives positive vibes. This beautiful cute little planter with a money plant, I have got it from Amazon. This looks really cute. If you see this Ganesha, it's a wall hanging piece actually, which is almost 9 years old. I couldn't hang this because too many nailing on the wall is not allowed in rental house. So I have done something creative with this. Isn't it looking good? I'm done with a living room decor with whatever possible way. Let's have an entire room's look. This is my simple decor ideas. Hope you liked it. Please provide your feedback in comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful and safe Diwali. Take care. Bye.